can't lie, this sounds cold.
Yo, what's going on, my Backstar family? Hope everyone's blessed, having a blessed day, blessed week, all of the good stuff. Oi, if you've been watching my videos, you would have seen, not on my last video, but my video before, the terrible news. I crashed my brand new dirt bike. So this is the story, yeah? So it was a wheelie Wednesday. I was pulling out the bikes. We was all going to a wheelie strip. My phone started ringing. I had to go meet people and grab money off them. And then what happened? Thought I lost my GoPro. I wasn't smoking that day, so I was trying to be hell of positive. And then all of a sudden, come around the corner, clutch the bike up, wah, bah, 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 straight off the back. I didn't even have my foot on the back brake. Mad. And this is what I've done. So as you can see, back fender completely came, well, I ripped it off, but it completely snapped. I've done that. Look at the exhaust, guys. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, but my back was busted. I'm still in pain now. That was 3 weeks ago. What else? Yeah, my back's was busted. Mate, I wanted to cry, but still I'm lucky. Look how clean the back still is. No scratches around here. Literally no, I come off so lucky that nothing, no swing arm scratches, no plastic scratches on around the front end. Literally, I come out so lucky, it's unreal. All I've done was the rear fender and the side panel. But guys, guess what? Straight away, phoned up Honda, told them I need all the original plastics. So I've got brand new side panel from Honda, as you can see. Look, genuine Honda parts. And I've got the rear fender. Jeez, super gassed. So I'm gonna put them on now and get her back to fresh. So I've got the little socket, it's a 10mm. Oh, this one was loose already. Straight out with that one. Let's put that down that side there. Let's get this other one up. God, both of them was loose as anything, Jesus. That's another one. I'll put that there on that side so I know what one goes what side. Jesus, look at this. Oh, just realised a little one down there, in there. Sure. And there you go. Brand spanking new plastic. It's come straight off the bike. It's mad. I've literally got to take both plastics off. Sure, that one's hard. Let me just sort out this camera angle. But yeah, this one was hard. And there you go. Obviously this one's fresh. I ain't got to replace this one. Oh, look at the 150, man. Look at the exhaust. Pissed about that. While I've got it all off, I think I might as well give all this a clean up. Alright, I've got to get this last bit of plastic off now. I can't believe how loose all these bolts were. Mad. Oh, I've had to take the seat off. Ooh. The seat is off. Jesus, all this just for this awkward bit of plastic. Oh man, I've got to pull it out on there and all. So I finally got that off. There it is. Now it's time to get the new pieces on. And there we go, ahoy! Let's get this brand new piece unwrapped. So there we have it, look. Brand fine new. Let's see how she fits in place. And there you have it, guys. To be honest, it was real easy to put in place. Just gonna do these up now. Ain't gonna do them up super tight. Now, put some bolts at the back there. Right, so I've got the rear fender on. Just putting this side panel back on. This is an old side panel, by the way. This ain't a new one. Right, that's nice and tight. But look how she's looking. She's coming back to life, isn't she? This little weapon. Absolute little weapon. I love this bike. There you go. That's the last plastics to go on the side panel, so let's just bust this open. Ooh. And there you have it, guys. She is back to brand fine new mudguard, OEM original, new side panel, OEM original, genuine Honda parts. She is back to brand fine new, guys. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it an oil change and a service because it hasn't had that since I bought it. And then once I've done that, I'm going to edit up this video, put it together for you guys, show you how to do your first service on your brand new crf150s. And then hopefully tomorrow we are out doing a ride out. So let's go, let's get it.
What are you doing, son?
Now I'm about to do the oil change, the first oil change since I bought this bike from brand new. She's all warmed up. Right, we're on the floor with it. 12 millimeter socket on there. Oh shit then. To be honest with you, the oil's coming out pretty clean.
Just the fragments. They're fresh and brand new, that's why you have to drop them out, isn't it? The fragments of shit.
Right, I've got another drainer here. We'll undo that. Don't want to drop this bolt, man. There's a big long one. Alright, let me just push this back in quick. Right there, look. Don't worry guys, you always get oil on your fingers doing this. It's a messy job. So, I'm not going to change my oil filter because obviously the one in there is brand new. But if you change the oil filter, you need to put about 650. If you don't change it, run about 550 in there, 560. I've got a dipstick anyway, so I can check that. I get asked this question a lot. What a lot of people don't know is the left side is where you're going to put your engine oil, and on the right side is where you put your transmission oil. I've looked at a lot of videos on YouTube and they don't actually tell you what oils go on what side. Ooh. She comes out thick, doesn't she? Jesus. Right, putting the last drain bolt in now, and then I'll be doing the synthetic gearbox oil. So this one goes into the right side, just so you don't get it messed up. Let's get this back in. Get that on there, just do it up. So I'm doing the last oils now. You definitely need a funnel to get this oil in. So look what I've done, I've put that cap on top of there, look. Hold that down like that. And there she is. All the oils are done. Just going over it, giving it a proper clean up now. Once I've wiped all the oil off, I'll start her up. Make sure she's running good. God, I love this old bike. Sprayed her right up, she's all shiny and that now. Bikes, eh? God, mate. They're like women, bruv. Can't live with them, can't live without them. So there you have it guys, the Honda CRF has been serviced. She is fresh, literally like brand new again. New rear mudguard, new side panel, fresh engines. I have not even started it up, so let's start it up. First kick, she ain't a hoagie. Alright guys, look at this throttle. Woo! Weapon. Absolute weapon. Look at this bike. I'm going to let this bike warm up properly, let all the oils run around the engine, and then I'm going to turn her off. Yo, so there you have it, my Bikestar family. Quick little service and changing a few parts on the CRF 150. I'm making this video because when I service a bike, I go on YouTube just to make sure I'm doing it all correct. Haven't seen any videos telling you that this is where your gearbox oil goes on the right side, and on the left side this is where your engine oil goes in there. So yeah, I tried to showcase that in the video, but go like, go subscribe, go share if you're a good guy like that and you want to share me videos. I appreciate it. Go send it to your friends and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.